nigo mu ambassador bwensi ya China gocha ega Kenya kubukirana ase county ya Kisii abasanya kubukwariganirwa amuno mu governor we county iga Muske Paul Simba Arati okwana chinga kicho nigo Muske Simba Arati nyakubokwana kimna nigo e county ya Kisii irachi gutwara obwamatobuya amonensi ya China ninchiremo yokuboterana asensemo nigo omu ambassador yu abiriga otemna nigo ensi ya China ere tayari gochia kuboterana Monens County ya Kisii kwana kinga babire bagokinia uchumi ya county
than even the developing world, as it were. I got an opportunity to take my MCS to China, the 50 of them, and they saw for themselves what we are talking about. Would want. When I was campaigning, I was like, even if we had a small China in Kisii, it will turn the fortunes that we have in this country. And we're looking forward with partnership that now we have established to see we can cooperate with the Chinese government. You're welcome to Kisii. When you're around, Kisii is the most peaceful place.
In Kenya for some time, but it's my first time here. We drove past by Kisii yesterday, and all of my colleagues thought this is something very big thing. And actually, we sense the friendship and the business opportunity here in this great country. And the governor just shared with you, we discussed on the sub-national exchange and cooperation. We explored the possibility of cooperation in the health sector, the agro-processing, particularly the famous, I'm so impressed by the banana products in this country. And the soap stores has very good material for artifacts and many other areas. China is committed to deepen its friendship and cooperation with Kenya. And we wish the sub-national entities can play a bigger role